Hello, this is Patrick Posey with Porsche Ontario, and today we'll be showcasing some of our exclusive equipment options on our brand new 2022 911 Carrera S. As we begin at the front end of our 2022 911 Carrera S, this particular model has been outfitted with the Aero Kit. This is an exclusive manufacturer item, and at the front end of the vehicle we'll notice the sport design front fascia with lower portion finished in high gloss black. The Aero Kit in high gloss black starts at the front end of the vehicle with the sport design front fascia with lower diffuser finished in high gloss black, as well as the grille guards in high gloss black. Continuing along the side of the vehicle, we have these sport design side skirts in high gloss black, and the rear diffuser has also been finished in high gloss black. The exclusive manufacturer Aero Kit also features the fixed rear wing finished in high gloss black. Another unique add-on to this vehicle is the exclusive manufacturer carbon fiber mirror caps with lower base finished in high gloss black. Another unique option added to this beautiful Carrera S is the Sport Exhaust. Not only is this an exclusive manufacturer option, it is a performance upgrade. This one has been finished with tailpipes in black. A popular equipment item is the front trunk liner. Built and contoured to fit right within the front trunk of the 911, this not only protects your belongings, but the interior carpet. Not often thought about, but always appreciated, is the Alcantara key pouch with red stitching. This exclusive equipment item will protect your key. One of our most popular equipment items are the all-weather floor mats. Built and contoured for every Porsche model, they're easy to install, easy to maintain, and always complements the interior of your Porsche. Thank you for tuning in to our showcasing of the available exclusive equipment options for our brand new 2022 911 Carrera S. If you'd like to visit and take a closer look at some of these options in person, please don't hesitate to come on by to Porsche Ontario anytime. Once again, this is Patrick Posey, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.